Hi, welcome to my channel. It's all the little things that happen while making dinner that add up and make this task time consuming. Like fishing lemon seeds out of your homemade vinaigrette or waiting until your meat has cooled to shred it apart. But don't worry. These Amazon gadgets will solve those pesky problems for you. Before jump into all kitchen gadget, please don't forget to click on subscribe button, like and share. For your easiness we have shared the buy link of all gadget in description. So let's start.
The Zulai Kitchen Premium Apple Corer, with its ergonomic, comfortable grip, includes stainless steel twin blades with sharp, serrated tips designed to smoothly core through any apple. These blades are made durable and are strong enough to withstand a tremendous amount of force, so you don't have to worry about any bending or breaking. Coring an apple has never been so easy. And there you have it. The Zulai Premium Apple Corer. Get yours today.
This is the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. Mandolines are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolines have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the Safe Slice Mandoline, you can have all the benefits of a mandolin without any of the danger. The Safe Slice Mandoline provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more. The mandolin makes it easy to create stunning side dishes and desserts for friends and family. From potato gratin to apple tarts to summertime salads, all of those look amazing when you use a mandolin. And with the Safe Slice, it's easier and safer than ever. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes, all with the customer support team based right here in the USA. So bring your cooking to the next level and safely slice like a pro with the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this, to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware. And it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.